Hello childrens. Lesson number 6, indices. Today we are starting the new lesson, that is the indices. So before starting the lesson we will see the let's recalls activity which is given in your textbook. From childhood means when you are in the first standard, second standard, at that time you peoples are doing 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Here it is given, that's why I took there 4 plus 4. How many times done the addition? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so plus 4 plus 4. When you do the addition of 4 7 times, okay, addition of 4 7 times, then its answer comes 28. It has first of all two ways: 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, plus 4 16, plus 4 20, plus 4 24, plus 4 28. This is the additions method. But every time to this such a long addition is not possible. So at that time what we are doing? 4 into 7. So 7 4s are 28. Means 4's addition, how many times we had done it here? 7 times. So 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Now here same thing they had done it here. They took 4 notebooks. 4 books are there here. How many? 4 books are there. And 4 books, how many children they gave? Means each student get 4 books. Okay, and how many children are there? 7 children are there. So here in this example, just now I shown you that 4's addition 7 times means into 4 into 7. The both answer is same, means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 4 into 7 equals to 28. That you know. Now new thing is there in the lesson of indices is the base and the index. Which is base? Which is index? I think in scholarship, otherwise you learn the square and cubes. 2's square, 2's cube, till that these things you know. 4's cube, 4 square, 8 square, 8's cube. The meaning of it is that the 4's cube 2's cube means 2 into 2 into 2. You know this, 2 square means 2 into 2. Similarly, 4's cube means 4 into 4 into 4. 4 square, 4 into 4. Same thing is there with 8 and 3 also. 8 and 3 also. So, whenever we are writing 2 raised to 2, okay, or 2 raised to 3, or 4 raised to, this you know, that's why I took this. Here more than another numbers are 8 is there, 5 is there, so many numbers are there. So here this 2 is called as a base and this is called as a index. This is called as a index. So here 2 is a base, index is 3. Suppose I wrote it here 7 raised to 5. So 7 is a base and 2 is a 5 is a index. Okay, so here it is, which is what is given, that we will see. 2's 8 time multiplication. Here the 2 multiplied by itself. 2, if when we 2 is multiplying with itself only, means 2 multiply with 2 only. How many times? Suppose here it is 8 times given. So that how we are writing 2 to the power of 8. Means 2 raised to 8. We can read it in number of ways. So 2 is a base and 8 is a index. Okay, it is very very easy. 2 is a base and 8 is a index. Here in short, if you have to write such a long chain of a multiplication of 2, then what happens? It is a time consuming process. So for that 2's multiplication 8, we can write it in this way also. 2 to the power of 8 or 2's raised to 8. And this index of the multiplication, the meaning of it is that the 2's multiplication how many times? 8 times. So 2 is a base and 8 is a index. So here it is given that 2 is a base and 8 is a index, and it is also called as exponent. It is also called as a exponent. Generally we are using the index only word. Okay. Now 5's 4 time multiplication means 5's multiplication 4 times means 5 raised to 4. Here 5 raised to 4 is in index form. So in the number 5 raised to 4, okay, 5 raised to 4 number is there. This 5 is a base. This 5 is a base and 4 is a index. 5 is the base and 4 is the index. And we can read it as just now I told you we can read in two ways. 5 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to 4 said then also. Okay, see here 5 raised to 4. 5 raised to power 4. You can read in this way also. Again one more method given here. 4th power of 5 means 5 raised to 4 we can read at 4th power of 5 or 4 raised to 5, 5 raised to 4 or 5 raised to power of 4. These are the readings. Only for reading they are in paper they are asking how to read this, and for that also 1 mark is there. So this line underline all of you underline this line and just make it perfect. Okay, how to read this? 5 raised to power 4, or you can read it as a 5 raised to 4, or again you can read it as a 4th power of 5. 4th power of 5. It is given in the form of a. Suppose a raised to m. A raised to m. So we can read it in this way also. A raised to the power of m. A raised to the power of m. A you read it first. This word you have to use. Raised to the power of power m. Again you can do a raised to m. Here 5's place a right and here m right. 5 raised to m. Again you can read mth power of a. Mth power of a. These are the different readings of this. Okay. And from this we can find the values also. 5 raised to 4 means 5 raised to 4. See here 5 raised to 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. I told you that 5 raised to 4 means 5's multiplication 4 times. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. So this is the value of 5 raised to 4. The value of 5 raised to 4 is 625. Clear? Okay. So in this way we have to find its values also. Here they give minus 2 upon 3 raised to 3. So we will find its value 2 upon 3. When 2 digits are means fraction will come, here you have to give the square bracket. We have to find its value. So here negativity is there. Minus the meaning of 2 upon 3 raised to 3 or 2 upon 3's cube. 2 we can say, if power is 2 we say square. If power is 3 we say the cube. And more than 3 if it is there, raised to 4, raised to 5, in this way we are reading. So 2 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 into minus 2 upon 3 into minus 2 upon 3. If you see here, you will notice that I taught you before only how to solve this. Do the multiplication of the sign. गलत बात को गलत कहना क्या होता है? सही होता है. अगेन हियर गलत बात को सही बात को गलत कहना क्या होता है? गलत होता है. So here the answer will come negative. Why? And one more thing, if this power is odd number, the answer is negative, and power is even number. If the number which is inside this is the number which is whose index value we have to find out. Okay, if it's numbers and it is negative, suppose minus 3 raised to 5. So its value is 3 3s and suppose smaller number I will take. So explanation is 2 minus 2 raised to 5, and I will write here minus 2 raised to 4. Okay. So what is change I will tell you. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. Right? 32 is the answer. But the problem is that minus 32 we have to give or plus 32. So if you see here 5 is an odd number. If this is odd number, the answer will come in negative. And if it is positive, its answer will come 32 only, but plus 32. The reason behind it is that the power is positive. And its opposite, if here it is raised to 4 is there. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is the answer, and it is positive. Means if this number, the base if it is negative and power is a odd number, the answer will come negative. Base is negative but power is minus 2's power, minus 2 raised to 4 also 16, minus 2, here it is base same only minus 2, but power if it is even number, the answer will come in the positive. Same thing is here, the number minus 2 upon 3, number minus 2 upon 3 is negative. Okay, the number is negative and its power is odd number, so the answer definitely it will come negative. So first of all give the sign. From this what you are understanding, if base is negative but its power is odd number, base is negative, power odd number, then answer is negative, and power is even number, the answer is positive. So here negative, 2's 3 times multi or 2's cube is 8 and 3's cube is 27. So this is the answer. Okay, now let's move towards one more example. We see here from our textbook, here it is. So that example we see now, I told you the rules also, which rules are there. So any number we are writing, suppose any number we are writing, for example in our textbook 7 raised to 1 given, any number you take, 18 raised to 1, 55 raised to 1, 19 raised to 1, its answer is same number only. Why? Because sometimes whenever we are writing the number, their number is not there, the index is not there, but always 1 is present at that place. Clear? Whichever is the number, its power is 1, the answer is the same number. Clear? This rule is clear for you. In his exam they may be ask you a raised to 1 is equal to dash. So at that time you have to write a raised to 1 is equal to a. Instead of a, if there they gave any number 17 raised to a, whatever is there, so you have to write its answer. Okay, understand all of you? So in this way, this is the general. Now you have to solve the practice set number 26. Very easy. So first of all, index is given 3 raised to 4. One example they solved and shown only to you. So for this question, 3 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4. How we are writing 3 raised to 4? 3 is a base and 4 is a index. Okay, so here it is index and base place is there. So base, which is the base here? 3. Here index is 4. The multiplication form, 3 is multiplication 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. What is its value? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81 is its answer. So you have to solve the examples. This box you have to find out. Okay, so one more example I will show you here. Minus 8 given here. This you can solve easily because like first example it is there. Now minus 8 is there, so base it is there, so which number will come here? Minus 8, and power, which is its power? 2. Okay, now the next is the minus 8 into minus 8 is the multiplication form. 2 times came, here even number is there, answer will come positive. 8 8s are 64. Plus sign if you are giving, okay, not given, then also no problem. In this way you have to complete the box. Next 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7 means how many times they had done the multiplication of 3 upon 7? 4 times. So here which number will come here? 3 upon 7 raised to 4. Clear? 3 and square bracket we have to give. Here which bracket we have to give? Square bracket. And power, how many times done the multiplication? 4 times. So 4 it will come. Base, which is the base here? 3 upon 3 upon 7. Index is 4. So 3 upon 7's multiplication 3 times. 3 raised to 4 is 81 and 7 raised to 4 is 2401. In this way you have to solve the question number 1. And question number 2 is easy only. Do the multiplications. For example, this I will show you. 5 raised to 3. Find the value they told. 5 raised to 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 is 3 time multiple. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125 is its answer. Okay. So in this way, today we understand the basic part of the indices lesson. And today's your homework is practice set number 26. You have to complete. Understand? So today we'll stop here only. Okay. Thank you. And have a good day.